Operator overloading allows you to define custom behavior for standard operators when they are used with instances of user-defined types, such as classes or structs. This is useful when you want to provide intuitive and natural syntax for operations on your types, making your classes easier to use and more readable. To overload an operator, you need to implement a public static method in your class or struct with the operator keyword followed by the operator you want to overload. The method must also define parameters and a return type that match the types you will use with the operator.